Kate here with WTI, and this gorgeous under cabinet lighting beside me is from LDOPTO. So I love this set of 4. It is battery operated. They are LED lights, really easy to install. It's just peel and stick, and you can place these absolutely anywhere. So personally, I put all 4 under my cabinets, and I just love the way this looks at night. It really cozies up the room without having a large overhead light on. You can put these anywhere, in your closet, on your staircase, wherever you need a little bit of extra light. It comes with this remote, and so it's completely customizable. You can adjust the brightness. These are shortcuts, so you can go all the way to 100% or down to 50, and then the up or down buttons adjust it between 10% and 100%. You have a timer. You can also toggle between a warm white or a cool white, and both of those options just give a totally different feel. It also has an auto shut off so that if you do happen to forget it on, you don't use the timer, it will turn off after a few hours so that you don't waste your batteries. So if you want some extra lighting without all that wiring that's involved, I think this set of 4 is amazing, and that's my point of view.